Hello, this exercise is a exercise for absolute beginners in Photoshop. So if you've never used Photoshop before, um, I think this exercise will help you a lot. The way I teach is to learn by doing. So some of this stuff, especially in this first exercise, might seem confusing at first, and it might seem like a lot, and you might wonder, how am I going to remember all this stuff? But more exercises will follow, and it'll reinforce what you've learned. So believe me, some of the things might seem new to you, but just with a little bit of practice, it'll become second nature. I do recommend before you do this exercise that you go through the tutorials provided by Adobe Help. They're really good. And this is the URL which I'll provide in the comments on my, in this video series. And if you're my student, I'll obviously, provide this URL there in my class. This is what the Photoshop tutorial page looks like. They're very good. So they're like a series of videos, approximately 15 minutes each, the tutorials where you download photos and you go through the basic skills of Photoshop. So I really recommend you go through these. It'd be very, very helpful. That being said, we can start off right from scratch here. So I'll see you in the next video, and we'll set up our file and we'll get started.